Good morning. This is the Saturday before Labor Day, which is when we have our family reunion. And we've been working down at the cabin, where Mom and Dad and my Aunt Karen have done a lot. I'll take y'all down there in a little bit and show you what they've done. But trying to get set up for it, and we've had a lot of rain this week, which has interfered, but we've got it all took care of. I don't know how many will show up because of the whole COVID stuff going on, but we canceled it last year and we just decided this year we was gonna have it basically regardless, and whoever wanted to come could come. But I've got some stuff. We usually do a hayride, and I use the black smaller trailer for that, and it's got stuff loaded on it which I need to get unloaded, and it needs to go to school to be worked on. And I got the bridge up school where we've been working on it, so I'll probably haul that stuff up there and haul the bridge home, get that trailer, this trailer here, emptied off, and that stuff out of the way. Put square bells on this for the hayride. Need to dig out one of my trailer movers. I think right over here's one, that Omni manufacturing trailer mover hitch. It's right over there, so we'll use it. I was going to show you my ponds. We had a little over 5 inches of rain this week from Hurricane Ida. It didn't plumb overflow or nothing this time, which was nice with that bigger pipe in there. Still pretty good stream of water running through her. But it's looking good. Looking nice. I think I've got a little leak still somewhere in it. It's not where I fixed it. I believe it's somewhere else. But right here is where I dug that dirt out in the back of the pond. So it used to end right here. Now it's backing up all the way up through there. And I'm gonna set my bridge across right through here somewhere, so I gotta figure out a way to get it across. One of these days. I won't be doing that today. I'm just gonna haul it home and set it off today. This thing filled up week before last, and then it went back down probably maybe a foot below the pipe, and pretty well stayed at that level. So if it don't get any lower than that, I will be well pleased with it. It's got a pretty good amount of water coming into it now still. It's a few days after the rain, but it's still got water running in, and there's water running out the pipe. So we'll just have to see how that goes. Just have to see how that goes. It looks nice. Now here's our setup down here at the log house where we're going to have our reunion. I was going to move my dump trailer, and Mom said to leave it. She wanted to kind of put some decorations and stuff in it. Right here's where we have the food set up. Have a serving lines coming down each side when we eat, which works out nice. I don't know how many of you seen all my signs and stuff. I love to collect old tin signs, so if you ever want to send me something, send me a tin sign if you can find one. And I got a few over here too. And then I've got some up in the shop. That's one of the things. I used to buy them regular, but I quit that. They got expensive. Got the playground equipment for the kids. Got the old porch, which we'll go over sometime in another video, some of the tools and things. But got this for people to sit on, and we got a lot of old tools displayed here that was used back in the day that this cabin was built. Horse-drawn implements, hand tools, a little bit of everything. We'll try to go through some of that stuff a little more in detail one day. Got some tents set up. Of course, primarily what this big shed's for. I know I've been parking my hay rake in it, but Dad bought it for the reunions. And we got sheds set up out here, tents, whatever you want to call them. For everybody. It's supposed to be nice weather. Flowers looking pretty on the porch. I have to take you in there one day too. Show you around. Cabin was built in about 1850. everybody. We had a reunion yesterday, and we're all pitching in and cooking breakfast for everybody this morning that spent the night. Tiffany's fixing the bacon and gonna be cooking sausage. Then across the road at Mama's, they're fixing gravy and biscuits. And I don't know if they're fixing eggs and stuff too to go with it or not, but we're all gonna get together here in a little bit over at Mama's and eat breakfast. And had a good day yesterday with everybody. I didn't get any video with everybody here or doing the hay rides and that type thing, but y'all saw a little bit of our setup yesterday morning. But if you will, please like, subscribe, and comment. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.